Planning to visit Las Vegas but not into gambling? Here's what you can do. Las Vegas, the gleaming desert jewel famed for its glamorous casinos and vibrant nightlife. But what if you're not one for the poker table or the slot machine? Fear not, for this city of lights offers more than just a roll of the dice. From captivating museums to stunning natural wonders, there's a side of Vegas waiting to be discovered by you. Join us as we count down the top 10 non-gambling activities you can enjoy in Las Vegas. Starting off at number 10, immerse yourself in the city's history at the Neon Museum. This fascinating spot is a glowing testament to the vibrant past of Las Vegas. The Neon Museum, also fondly known as the Neon Boneyard, houses an extensive collection of vintage neon signs from old casinos, hotels, and businesses that once painted the town red. Each sign has a story to tell, and they collectively narrate the lively, colorful history of Sin City. From the spectacular Stardust sign to the iconic Hard Rock Cafe guitar, these signs are not just pieces of metal and bulbs, but a vibrant tapestry of the city's past. The Neon Museum offers guided tours that dive into the intriguing stories behind these signs, adding an educational twist to your visit. This place truly lights up your Las Vegas experience, minus the gambling. So whether you're a history buff or just love the retro aesthetic, the Neon Museum is a must-visit. At number 9, step outside the city and explore the Red Rock Canyon. This natural haven, just a short drive from the bustling Las Vegas Strip, offers a breath of fresh air for those looking to escape the neon lights. Hiking trails wind their way through the canyon, inviting you to traverse the rugged terrain and discover the beauty of the desert up close. From the Calico Hills to the Keystone Thrust, every trail offers a unique perspective on this stunning landscape. But it's not just about the scenery. Keep your eyes peeled for the abundant wildlife that calls Red Rock Canyon home. Spot desert tortoises, bighorn sheep, and a vibrant array of bird species. And when the sun sets, don't rush back to the city. The star-studded skies here are a sight to behold, offering a peaceful end to an adventurous day. For those who love the outdoors, Red Rock Canyon is a must-visit. Coming in at number 8, delve into the city's criminal past at the Mob Museum. This isn't your average museum. Here, the tales of notorious gangsters and the law enforcement heroes who sought to bring them to justice come alive. Get ready to step into a world where right and wrong often blur, and power is the ultimate prize. The Mob Museum, or as it's officially known, the National Museum of Organized Crime and Law Enforcement, hosts a series of captivating exhibits. They unravel the complex narrative of organized crime in Las Vegas and the relentless efforts to combat it. From the birth of the mob to today's headlines, you'll explore the real stories in depth. The museum isn't just about looking at artifacts, though. It offers interactive experiences that plunge you into the action. Ever wondered what it's like to be part of a police lineup? Here's your chance to find out. A visit to the Mob Museum provides a different perspective on Las Vegas's history. Number 7 on our list is a classic Las Vegas experience, enjoying a show. Now, when we say show, we're not just talking about any one type of performance. Las Vegas is the entertainment capital of the world, after all. From heart-stopping acrobatics in a Cirque du Soleil spectacle to the mesmerizing illusions of a world-class magic show. Perhaps you're more inclined towards a laugh-out-loud comedy act, or maybe a Broadway-style musical review is more your speed. And let's not forget the concerts. Oh, the concerts! From pop idols to rock legends and even classical symphonies, the stages of Las Vegas have seen them all. Whether you're a fan of music, magic, comedy, or circus performances, the variety of shows in this city is simply unparalleled. And there's a performance for every palate, a spectacle for every spectator. With so many shows on offer, there's sure to be something to suit everyone's taste. Number 6 on our list, experience the beauty of the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Imagine a place in Las Vegas where nature's splendor meets the artist's touch. That's exactly what you'll find at the Bellagio Conservatory. Here, stunning floral displays bloom in vibrant colors, and the air is alive with the sweet scent of thousands of flowers. But it's not just about the flowers. The conservatory is known for its seasonal themes that transform the garden 5 times a year. From the enchantment of spring to the rich hues of fall, every visit promises a unique experience. Even the holidays sparkle a little brighter here with the festive winter display. Beyond the visual spectacle, the conservatory is a haven of tranquility. As you wander through the garden, the noise of the city fades away, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft murmur of water features. This is a calming, beautiful experience amidst the bustling city. Coming in at number 5, take a trip outside the city to the Hoover Dam. This colossal concrete arch gravity dam, straddling the border between Nevada and Arizona, is a symbol of human determination and engineering prowess. Constructed during the Great Depression, the Hoover Dam was the tallest dam of its time, a record it held for over 2 decades. This marvel of modern engineering offers spectacular views of the surrounding desert landscape and the shimmering waters of Lake Mead, America's largest reservoir. It's not just about the breathtaking views, though. A visit to the Hoover Dam is also a learning opportunity where you can discover the fascinating history of its construction and the role it plays in providing power and irrigation water to the region. So if you're a history buff, an engineering enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates stunning landscapes, the Hoover Dam is a must-visit. The Hoover Dam is a testament to human ingenuity and a great day trip from Las Vegas. At number 4, step into the heart of downtown Las Vegas at the Fremont Street Experience. Welcome to the vibrant world of Fremont Street, where the city's past and present collide in a dazzling display of light and sound. Here, a 5-block stretch of the city comes alive with an LED canopy overhead, creating one of the world's largest video screens. Every night, this sky-high screen lights up with mesmerizing light, shows that dance to the rhythm of heart-thumping music, creating a spectacle that's nothing short of electric. But the magic of Fremont Street isn't confined to the skies. On the ground, a rich tapestry of street performers, from musicians to magicians, keep the energy high and the crowd entertained. And for those with a penchant for retail therapy, the area is studded with a variety of stores, offering everything from vintage memorabilia to modern fashion. The Fremont Street Experience offers a taste of old Las Vegas. Number 3 on our list, take the ultimate day trip to the Grand Canyon. Now, I tell you, it ain't just a big hole in the ground. It's a marvel of nature that stretches over 1 mile deep and up to 18 miles wide. The views, they're nothing short of breathtaking. You look down and it's like staring into the very soul of the earth. Now, if you're the adventurous type, there are plenty of hiking trails to explore. Some easy, some challenging, but all of them rewarding. And remember, you're walking through one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. That's something to write home about. But it's not just about the sightseeing, it's about the experience, the silence, the vastness. It's humbling. It reminds you of your place in this big, beautiful world, and that, my friends, is something you won't forget. A visit to the Grand Canyon is an unforgettable experience. Coming in at number 2, indulge your taste buds at a celebrity chef restaurant. Las Vegas is a gourmet paradise, boasting a plethora of high-end dining experiences. Many of these culinary delights are curated by world-renowned chefs, from Gordon Ramsay to Wolfgang Puck, and everything in between. Imagine yourself savoring a mouth-watering steak at Cut by Wolfgang Puck, or perhaps you'd prefer the exquisite seafood at Emeril's New Orleans Fish House. Each restaurant offers its unique flair with menus that are works of art in themselves. These culinary maestros blend their skills with the freshest ingredients to create dishes that are both innovative and delicious. Not just a meal, dining at these establishments is like partaking in a grand performance, where each course is a scene unfolding a story of taste, texture, and aroma. So, when in Vegas, why not treat yourself to a meal of a lifetime? Because remember, a meal at one of these restaurants is a culinary adventure. And finally, number 1 on our list, take in the city from above on the high roller observation wheel. This isn't your average Ferris wheel, folks. Standing tall at over 500 feet, it's currently the world's tallest observation wheel. Imagine this, a full 360-degree panorama of the Las Vegas skyline, with views stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a sight that's hard to beat, especially when the city lights up at night. Each cabin of the high roller is an experience in itself, spacious and air-conditioned, offering a comfortable ride for up to 40 people. And the best part? The ride takes around 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to soak in the city's breathtaking views. So, whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned Vegas veteran, this is a unique experience you wouldn't want to miss. Riding the high roller offers a different perspective on Las Vegas, making it our top non-gambling activity. So there you have it. The top 10 non-gambling activities in Las Vegas. From the dazzling Neon Museum to the majestic Red Rock Canyon, the intriguing Mob Museum to the spectacular shows, the verdant Bellagio Conservatory, the monumental Hoover Dam, the lively Fremont Street, the breathtaking Grand Canyon, the delectable celebrity chef restaurants, and the towering high roller observation wheel. Las Vegas truly has more to offer beyond the roulette table. Remember, there's more to Las Vegas than the casinos. Enjoy your stay and make the most of everything this vibrant city has to offer.